Welcome to the channel. Right in this video, I will demonstrate how you can reset, or let put it rightly, how you can factory reset your tablet, Samsung tablet, precisely the model Sm-T580. So what you have to do here is to hold down the power key. Here is the power key up here. Okay, here is the power key. Okay, here is volume down and here is volume up. Okay, so you will have to switch it off first. Then after that, we have to hold down the power button, the volume up, and the home button. Here is the home button. We have to hold three of them simultaneously. And so guys, let me go and power it up. Okay. Okay. So powered off. So right now I will hold these three buttons simultaneously. The power button, the volume up, and the home button. Okay, home button here. And once we go for that, let me start with that. So I'm holding this, and so simultaneously. Okay. Once you see the Samsung logo, just release your fingers, and that will take us here. So let's wait and see what we have. Okay. After waiting for a while, it will take you to this interface. So what we have to do is to use the volume down and the volume up to navigate to our target. Okay. So our target here is going to be the wipe data / factory reset. So that is going to be our target, and we have to navigate to our target using the volume down and volume up. So we can go for volume down right now to select our target, which is wipe the factory reset. So here we go, wipe the factory reset. Once that is selected, we're now gonna use the power button. Okay, the power button to activate it. Okay, now I will go for the power button right now, selected. Then you will see this interface, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So remember, a factory reset will wipe out everything. So use the volume down again to go select the target. So we are going for yes right now. I will go select yes and use the power button to activate that. So we are good to go. So have a look. We are going. So once that is done, have a look here. You will see that data wipe complete just down here. So once that is done, we have to go and reboot system now. Okay, I will go for, it's already selected for you. You will have to use the power button to select it. So as you can see, let's see what happens next. Finish. Hi there. Start. So you can see we are in. I will go for that. Then okay. So that is it.
Thanks for watching and God bless you.